YouTube. What's up with the YouTube? It's your bro Murda G's with another banger, man. Family. Y'all seen that title, gang. We finna be using the new GLOCK S Suppress, gang. No faking. I ain't gonna lie. GLOCK S Suppress. Gotta see how this coming, gang. But you know we don't do no talk. Other than that, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on the video before I smack. Get some mags real quick, gang. No faking. See what we finna bump down on. We need to turn this sound on real quick. No cap. Turn this sound on. Smack on these newbies. Y'all know what time it is, gang. We gotta do no talking. We gotta do no talking. Who they did blowing that? Y'all hear that, gang? Sound like somebody firing them rounds already. I gotta go put a stop to that. No faking. Oh, they frozen. Let's see what he gonna do. Why he running from me, gang? What's up with bro? I don't even want to say dude. I'm trying to see what's up with bro. What's up with them, gang? What they on, gang? They scared? What he on? Weird, the blood, bro. In a way, I don't know, like, I don't know what he trying to do, gang. I don't know what he trying to do, gang. What he trying to do? How many times I gotta shoot, bro? How many times I gotta shoot him, gang? What he on? Gang, hold on, gang. Is my shot registering or something? Need that tick. Need that tick. Oh, that's bro. Oh, that's broski. What happened to him? Give me that. Give me that, little boy. What are you doing with that? I need that gun, guy. Who you was finna up that blick on, young blood? You trash, young blood. You trash, young blood. Oh well, gang. You just gotta put it up next time, gang. Put it up next time, family.
Yo, I'm Mario Baker.
What's up, family?
Yo, I'm new to this game. Like, if you kill someone and he has a gun, how do I take his gun?
You gotta buy the loom pads, gang. You gotta buy a loot pad. When somebody died, you try to loot them, and then you gonna be able to get it. You gonna be able to purchase.
Hey, check it out. Hey, you up?
Yeah, I'm up. What's up with it? What you need, gang? You trying to need some bread? Right here, I got you, fam. Don't worry about it. Smack his ass real quick. Oh, his ass left. Bye. The bro left. He trash. Keep it, guys. Keep it, guys. He in here, right? He in here robbing my stuff, gang. Come outside. Come outside right now, fam. Oh my God. what time it is though, gang. He knew it. He walked there because he knew it was his time. No faking. What little bro even have on him? Look at all the rice and baking soda he had on him, gang. The brother probably in and out. Damn. Coming like that. I need it, fam. That Glock 23, I need it. Move before you get it, gang. Glock 23, I need it. Glock 23 drum, I need it. Glock 23 drum, I need it. Glock 23 drum, I need it, gang. There was a Glock 19X drum, I'm tripping, gang. Glock 19X drum, gang, I'm tripping, gang. I'm thinking this. I think Lil Brett had luxury. I got all the bacon on me and shit, bacon soda and shit on me. I would cook this shit up. All that other shit, garbage. Family! Family! Broski! Broski! Broski, family! Broski, come here, broski. Let me talk to you, broski. Let me talk to you, broski. Let me talk to you, broski. Stop all that commotion you causing in my town, gang. I don't even want your loot, gang. Don't let me catch you with no other gun, family. Real talk, broski. I just had to talk to that boy. What's up with you, broski? You cool, broski? You cool? What's up? You cool, broski? What's up? Broski, stay in your place, broski. You ain't ready for me, broski. You ain't ready for me, broski. No faking. Oh. No, I shoot fur, gang. I shoot fur, gang. Oh! Oh! Oh my. Oh, wait, look. This bitch trash. I would potatoing, gang. They in the apartment shooting that shit, gang. LeBron in the apartment shooting that, gang. That shit crazy. Big blowing that pipe. Chop City. Stop playing with me, little boy. Stop playing with me, little boy. Put that up. Put that up. Put that up. Put all that up. Put all that up. Put all that up, gang. What's up with him, gang? Come outside. Come outside, little boy. Come outside, little boy. What's up with him, gang? I'm on it. They up here disturbing. Come on, man. I told him you can't come outside that gun store unless you got a license, and it only can be approved by me, gang. It only can be approved by me, gang. Scary. Scary. They scary, gang. I need that up off you, family. That AR-9. Give me that. Give me that AR-9, gang. Don't run, gang. You can't go back in there. Don't run, gang. Don't run from me, gang. Don't run, gang. Don't run, gang. I ain't even finna lose, bro. I'm just trying to test to see a game finna come out. You scared? Where the mams at? Shooting it. They up here shooting without my permission. Silver look right now. No! Yeah, I just bought a couple of these hoes. I won't have to keep running back. Constantly running back here. Constantly running back. You know what I'm saying? Gonna save me time, gang. So when I die, if I spawn by a house or something, you know what I'm saying? By an apartment, I'll be able to go ahead and grab my gun on myself. So I go ahead, say that. Say that. They up there going ham, say that. All I got is 50 rounds. All I got is 50 rounds. I gotta make it count, gang. I gotta make it count, gang. All I had was 50 rounds on me, gang. I had to make them count, gang. Feel me? Stop spinning without my with Lil Broski on. Lil Broski ain't got no hoski. What them men's at? What they did? They got a blick on them. What they doing? They got a knife on them and shit. Hey family, what you doing with that knife, gang? Don't let me catch you outside with that knife, gang. Real talk, family. Stop stabbing people with that knife. I ain't no chill, gang. This my server, gang. Nah, hey, gang, hey, gang. Hey, gang, listen to me when I'm talking to you, gang. You don't say nothing to me, gang. Listen to me when I'm talking to you, gang. What you mean what I'm trying to do? What you mean what I'm trying to do, bro? Hey, bruv. Hey, bruv. What you mean what I'm trying to do, bruv? Hey, in it. Come outside, in it. Come outside, in it. Come outside, bruv. Come outside, bruv. So I thought, bruv. You feel me? Stay in there, bruv. Don't let me catch you with no firearm, bruv. In it? You got it? What's up with bruv? What's up with bruv? Oh, hold on. Hey, gang. What you doing with that firearm? You been practicing? You been in the range with that gun, family? Now let me catch you outside, gang, with that gun, gang. It's gonna be on, family. No faking. What I tell you, he think I'm playing with him, gang. I'm not playing with that boy. Bro, you better stay in that gun stuff, gang. I got all of them staying in there, gang. They know what's up with me, family. They know what's up with Murda G. Bump down your street, blowing heat, no faking. Hold on, family. Playing me, gang. In our potatoes. In our potatoes. In our potatoes. Stop playing me, gang. I seen Lil Bro come out the store with that gun too, gang. You ain't shit. I'ma catch you, family. What's up with you, bruv? Why you up here shooting car workers, bruv? Stop all that, bruv. Bro up here ain't even dead yet. Hey, bro. Hey, don't let me catch you with that gun now no more, bro. I know you ain't dead yet, gang. Don't pull that gun out. How I'm supposed to help you, gang? What I'm supposed to do, gang? Press Y. I'm gonna make it twerk. Bet I'm gonna make it work. Oh! I bet not catch him. Well, LeBron. And LeBron. LeBron hop out instantly. Crazy. Stop playing with me, little boy. Stop playing with me, little boy. Instead of making them posting your ass up with them. Say that. First add questions later. No fake. You calling my silly developer? Come on, cheerleader. Come on, chill with that, twin. Chill with that, twin. I'm gonna get my whip. I ain't even gonna be on feet with it, gang. Yeah, oh yeah, I did. My bad, fam. My bad, gang. I ain't gonna lie. I did. I remember that though. My bad, fam. Let me end them real quick. Loot them, gang. Loot them, gang. Oh, watch out. What's up? What's up? up, boy? What? How he still hit me, gang? Get up. Oh yeah, I'm here now. And I'm getting shot in the. Right. What happened? What happened? Body your man. What? How did I? Oh, I'm tired. Hey, what's behind you, gang? Behind you, gang. What's up with him? Yes, Erski. Clip, no cow. No cow. Smack. What are you on? I don't know what little bro thought. We cooking, no faking. I wish there was some more people in the lobby though. What you on, guy? He ain't know nothing. Go to a new lobby real quick, ski. Give me some ammo. I might just gonna take them down real quick. And I see it now. Alright, that's on me, gang. No kid. So we got the deal. Get the gun. Get that gun, twin. Get the gun, twin. He's scared to get that gun. He's scared to get that little boy gun. Little boy. Bro, them ain't no Nathan. Oh, okay. LeBron on something though. LeBron on something though. LeBron on something. What the? And I'm stuck in the ground. And I'm stuck in the ground. Get up. The bird came out the house blowing. And I'm low as hell, gang. I ain't going nowhere because I want to kill them. They gonna ruin my kill, gang. They were my kill. Fivem fam, they were my kill, gang. They pulling up like they own it, family. What they on, gang? Now they won't get back. They won't get back. They won't get back. They won't get back. Stop trying to do that little shit, gang. Can't do that with me, gang. I'm undefeatable, gang. I don't know what LeBron thought this was, but LeBron, you I ain't ready, gang. Nah, don't run that guy. Don't run there. Don't run there. What's up? What's up with them? Y'all some little boys. Y'all some little boys, gang. Y'all my son, gang. These little boys eat my son.